Guys, welcome. So why very less time today? So before we are starting, so as usual, what is cloud? On-demand delivery of IT resources over the internet with pay-as-you-go. So what are the cloud segments? Cloud segments. Infrastructure as a platform as a service and software as a service. Okay. As of public cloud, private cloud, hybrid. So what do we need? What do we see next? What are the regions? Regions is a collection of that. So, okay, so zones are the collection of data sets. So, end of the day, cloud is nothing but real-time data centers to which we are communicating with the internet. So, pay-as-you-go pricing model. Pay-as-you-go pricing model. So, if you are using only 1 KB of space, pay only for 1 KB. If you are using it only for a second, pay only for a second. So, that is called pay-as-you-go pricing. So, after that, what is it? After that, advantages of cloud. What are those advantages? Top casing capacity, massive economics of scale, high scalability, high speed and agility, low global influence. Then, what are those types of scaling? Horizontal scaling and vertical scaling. So then, what is it? Then what is it? What is EC2? Okay, so EC2 comes under the pillar of computing. So in computing, EC2 is the first and foremost service. It was introduced back in 2010. That time, okay. So from 2010, EC2 is being that successful. This is the third most successful service of AWS. Then, what is EC2? What is EC2? Elastic Compute Cloud, Elastic Cloud Computing. Okay, but we call it as EC2. In EC2, what are the servers we actually? What are those servers? Which flavor of Linux will be considered? Amazon Linux. Okay, 2023 and Amazon Linux. In Windows 2020. So these are the two which we launched yesterday. Okay, and we made a connection to an Linux system, also an RDP connection to a Windows system. Also, we see how to attach a volume. Okay, how to attach a volume and how to attach a volume inside it. So some of the students, they are having doubts with how to attach a volume. So first we'll see that, and then we'll go for it. So how many of you are having AWS account? At least an IAM account. How many of you have it? So what about the remaining? Just get an IAM account. Try to get an IAM account. Okay. So now what are we going to see? We are going to launch an Windows instance. What happened? We are going to launch an Windows instance. Okay. Okay. So how to launch the Windows instance? Launch instance. Okay. Then give any name for your Windows instance. Okay. Windows. Okay. Then select your AMI. Okay. So the operating system. Okay. The operating system we call in AWS as an AMI. Amazon machine. So select your Amazon machine image. Select it as Windows. Okay. Then 2022 base. Let it be. Then instance type of T2 micro. Okay. Then key pair, select your own key pair if you have any, or else you can create your own key pair. Okay. If anyone is coming, let them. Don't wait to ask. Then select your key pair name. Then scroll down. Select allow RDP. Then select allow HTTPS and HTTP. Okay, so these are all the things we saw yesterday. Okay, just a recap. Then 30 GB of root volume. Okay, then 30 GB of root volume. Then press launch instance. Okay, so what is this area? What is this area? If you want to have a similar instance of 2, 3, then you can mention here itself. Okay. If you want 1000, you can mention. Okay, so what do you mean by a blue tag? What do you mean by a green tag? Blue tag is as a processing and green tag is success. Okay. If you get any red tag, something error is there. Out then, just wait for the windows to come up. Okay, let's wait for the windows to come up. So in meantime, what we are going to do? In the meantime, what we are going to do? We are going to have a hard disk. Okay, virtual hard disk. So it's called EBS volume. So before that, we have to take a note of the availability zone. Okay, the availability zone is in 1A. Okay, then come to the left side, scroll down, all the way down. There is a segment called elastic block store. Okay? There is a segment called elastic block store. Then click on this volume. Right. So already there is 30 GB of EBS volume is running it. So what is this volume? What is this volume? So this is a Windows root volume. Windows root volume. 30 GB we have seen that volume is there. So now we are going to create a new volume. So create a new volume. Let it be a general purpose SSD. Now we are going to create a volume. So the volume's minimum size 1 GB. The maximum size 16,384 GB. Okay. 16,384 GB. So we are creating it for 1 GB. I request you also to create 1 GB. Okay, already we have attained 30 GB the limit. Okay, when you are launching a Windows instance itself, you crossed the limit of 30 GB. You are in the limit. Okay, so create only 1 GB. Then the availability zone we have to select. It is there in the 1A. Scroll all the way down. Create volume. Okay, I'm coming to this instance and opening it in another tab. Okay, so let this instance come, and before that we will discuss other topics. So today we are going to see today's new topic is snapshot. Snapshot, not that application. So snapshot, what is it? It is a backup. So how do we take a backup of an SQL database? How do we take a backup of an SQL database? ID guys, tail backup, then ID guys, that was ID guys. Okay, tail backup and then okay, now that we will take a backup of an SQL. I don't want to go there. If you want to take a backup of this hard disk, okay, of this elastic block store, then that is called snapshot. Okay. Snapshot. Okay, snapshot is a backup of an EBS volume. So if you want to take a backup of an entire virtual machine, then that is called Amazon machine. Okay, when you want to take a backup of a particular elastic block store, that is called snapshot. When you want to take a backup of an entire instance, that is called Amazon machine. Okay, now you tell me, inside an Amazon image, Amazon machine image, right? Will there be a snapshot? An entire instance backup. The instance is having a root volume of a block. So the AMI will have a snapshot. Yes, the AMI will have a snapshot, but the snapshot will not have any. Okay, AMI will have a snapshot. AMI is the backup of an entire instance. It will have the backup also. Okay, but the snapshot it will not have the instance configuration. What we call it as. Listen. Okay. So in Google, okay, we have another option. We have mission image. Okay. Mission image is there. Mission image is just a configuration of mission. That's it. Not a backup of anything. Just configuration. Just letting you. So what is AMI? AMI is a backup of an entire instance. What is snapshot? Backup of a particular article. So now let's see. Okay, the status check is there. Let's come for the volume. Volume is in available. Okay, volume is in available. So now what are we going to do? We are going to attach this volume. So before that, let's get into this Windows. Select your Windows. Tap on this connect button. Okay. You guys know how to connect it. Come to RDP client. Come to RDP client. Scroll all the way down. Download this remote desktop file. Get your password. Upload your private key file. Okay. Upload your private key file. Scroll all the way down. Decrypt your password. Copy your password. Okay. So double tap on your RDP file. Connect it. Give your password. Accept the certificate. Okay, so now that we are into this Windows. Okay, so now we are into this Windows. Okay, so let's get back. So after this, now we'll create an AMI operating instance, okay, and we'll try to create an instance from that our own AMI. So all the OS we have selected previously, like Amazon Linux 2 or Amazon Linux 22, everything is an AMI. Okay, we will create our own AMI and we'll create an instance from our AMI. Okay, so let's get into this PC. So here you can see only local disk C is there. Okay, what is the size of this? 29 GB, 30 GB, something is this 29 GB. Okay. So we are going to attach this EBS volume here. So select the volume. Okay, the 1 GB volume. Go to actions. Attach volume. Okay. So after you click attach volume, you want to select the instance here. Okay. Select the instance here. Okay. So don't touch the device name here. Okay. Let it be XVDF. Okay. Don't touch the device name. Then click on attach volume. Okay. Then click on attach volume. So now getting back to the business, get into this Windows instance. Okay. So now what are we going to do? We are going to search for disk management. We are going to search for disk management. Okay. So create and format disk partitions. Click on this. Okay. Create and format disk partitions. So the other one is listed here, correct? The other one is listed here. Let's maximize this. Okay. So the second one, right? The second one, disk one, which is 1 GB. Okay, it is in offline position. So what we want to do? Right click on it, bring it to online. Okay, right click on it, bring it to online. Okay, so if you guys have any doubt, don't follow it. Okay, write down the steps or note down the steps somewhere. You can write after something. Okay, so now that it became an online, but it is not initialized. Okay, so what we are going to do? Again, one more time, click right click, initialize this. Now we have to select the second option. Okay. The first one is master root. We don't want that. We want to select the GPT, second one. We want to select the second one, GPT. Then click OK. Okay. So now that the both of them become online and the second one is unallocated. So we have to allocate this. How to do that? Hover over the black area. Okay. Hover over the black area. Don't click anywhere. Just hover. Right click on it. Okay. Right click on it. New simple word. Right click on it. New simple word. Okay. So now what are we going to do? We are going to select next. Okay. So the partition amount. Then next. Want to select any letter. So apart from J, which letter? Apart from J. Apart from J. Okay. Okay. So this is how you can attach the hard disk to your virtual machine. Okay. So while reconnecting, it itself checks all the default values. Okay. So now let's close this. Okay. So in this PC, you can see the volume is mounted. Okay. In this PC, you can see the volume is mounted. So what are we going to do? Close this up and close this also. Okay. So come back to the volume. Immediately after you do this, click finish that. Okay, so now come back to this PC. Okay, so now what we have to do? We have to detach this volume, then delete this volume. Okay, so click anywhere, click on actions, force detach. Detach. Okay, so detach your volume, wait for time. till it becomes available. Okay. So wait for some time till it becomes available. Then click on actions. Sorry, select a volume, click on actions and delete the volume. Okay, done. So now what are we going to do? We are going to terminate this instance forever. We are going to terminate this instance. So click on the instance state and terminate the instance. So now, as I said yesterday, okay, so I am going to give you how to launch a full-fledged website in VC. Okay, so let's see that. So click on launch instance as similar, okay. Your web server, select your AMI, Amazon Linux, then 2023 or Amazon Linux 2, anything, okay. Okay, anything. Then scroll it down. Okay, scroll down. Let it be T2 micro, then keeper. Select your own keeper. Then scroll down, allow HTTPS and HTTP. Scroll down, launch instance. Okay, so how to okay, so anything is fine. Amazon Linux 23 or Amazon Linux 2, anything is fine. Okay. So now what are we going to do? We are going to have a full-fledged code for this. Okay, full-fledged code. So how to get that? Free CSS template. Free CSS template. Okay, free CSS template. Press enter. Okay, free CSS template. Press enter. Click on the very first link. Click on the very first link. Okay, click on the very first link. Then click on the very first column. Okay, so within this there is some 200 pages. Okay, just I give you 5 minutes. You can go and check what else that you like. What I want to do is to get into that and download it. Okay, get into that and download it. Okay, it will be downloaded as a zip. Get into that and download it as a zip. In the home, okay, that is really that. How much you have spent, how much you expected that. Okay, so is it downloaded? Is it downloaded? Okay. Okay. So on the download button, okay, on the download button, keep the cursor and right click. On the download button, keep the cursor and right click. Copy link address. Okay, copy link address. Okay. So from now I go. Okay. So since then, it's an extended stuff. So I'll go like this. So from now on, this is today's stuff. So what we are going to do? What we are going to do? We are going to SSH into this web server. So select this server. Okay. Select this server. Click on connect. Select this server. Click on connect. So select the EC2 instance connect. Okay. So scroll down. Click on connect. Scroll down. Click on connect. Okay. So select the instance. Click on connect. EC2 instance connect. Scroll down and connect. Okay. So now what will we do? What here itself you can mention it as root. Click on connect. Okay, so if you don't want to do Exodus root, there itself you can mention it as a root and you can click on connect. Okay. So now you are logged in as root. Okay. So now what we can do? YUM update. YUM update. Okay. So press enter. Okay. Then the second one YUM install HTTPD. HTTPD. Okay. So YUM install HTTPD. Press enter. Okay. If it is prompted to yes or no, press Y. Okay. So now what we have to do? Now what we have to do? Boys, now what we have to do? Service HTTPD start. Okay. Okay. Service HTTPD start. So now what we can do? We can copy the public IP address and paste this on. Okay, so Apache test page is visited. Okay, so Apache test page. So from here, what should we do? From here, CD space forward slash /www/HTML. Okay. Okay. So CD forward slash var www/HTML. Okay. So now you are in HTML. So after this, what you have to do? After this, what you have to do? From here, if you create an index file, okay, then that will be visited in the public. Okay, so here what we are going to do? We are going to install 2 more services. Okay, here we are going to install 2 more services. What is one? First is Anjit. The second one is WGet. Okay, similarly YUM install WGet. Okay, YUM install WGet. Okay, press enter. Then YUM install unzip. Okay, UN is a unzip. Then press enter. Okay, so now when we selected the link now in download link, so we are going to paste here WGet and paste that link. Space, right click and paste. Okay, so Control B will not work here. Okay. Okay, so Control V will not work here. Right click and click paste. Press enter. Okay, so how it is downloaded there? Similarly, it will be downloaded in the Linux machine. So you can, how can you verify it? Whether it's downloaded or not? What is the command to list out the folders in the particular files in the particular folder? ls. Okay, so type ls and see. Okay, that zip is there. Okay, so after this, what we are going to do? Install. Okay. So after this, what we have to do? We have to unzip. Okay. So unzip space this vortex. Okay. So unzip space that file name. Dot zip file name. Okay. So that now, if you type ls, what will you see? Okay. So you are seeing a folder along with the zip file. Okay. So now what is the problem is in this HTML folder you should have that index.html, but it is inside a folder. Okay. Here itself it should be displayed. So now if I do here, okay, if I do here slash 2124 hyphen vertex. Okay. So what I've did, I've just included that folder name. Okay. So I've just included that folder name here. Okay. So let me tell you once again. So inside the var slash www slash html, there should be a file called index. Okay. Whatever there in the index file, it will be displayed. But inside that folder, there is another folder created. Okay. So how we can do that is I am directing the browser to view or to look in that. Okay. So we can also avoid this. How can we avoid this? Okay, how can we avoid this? CD into this one, 2124. Okay. So now if you do ls, we can see all the files here. Okay, we can see all the files here. We need to move these files to the previous folder. We need to move this file to the previous folder. So what is the command? mv. Okay, mv space. How to denote all the files? How to denote all the files? Star. Okay. So star space. How to go to previous folder? CD space double dot. Okay. So avoid CD. Just use double dot. Press enter. Okay. So now if you see an ls, nothing will be there. So now CD space dot dot. Okay. Press enter. Okay. So inside the HTML folder, now if you do ls. Okay. So now what am I going to do? So here, if I press refresh, okay. If you have your own CSS template, if you have your own JavaScript, anything is fine. You can do that. See, if your internet connection is down, okay. See, if your internet connection is down, sometimes instance connect will not work. Sometimes instance connect will not work. That's another way to connect. Okay. So come here, come to this, connect to this instance. So the third one, SSH client. Third one, SSH client. Just copy this. Okay. So here you can see your PEM file as well. Okay. So copy this one. Come to downloads. Okay. Come to downloads. Show in folder. Okay. So here what we can do? Here on the top. Okay. So here on the top, double click here. Okay. Double click here. Okay. Double click here. Type CMD. Okay, double click and type CMD. Okay. So you can directly go and launch the CMD. That is fine, but that will be in some other folder. If you come in download folder or any other folder, Go on top of it, double click, put CMD, it will be directed to the command prompt. So here, just right click and okay. So copy that command, press enter, it will be connected from here itself. Okay. So if for some persons, if instance connect is not working, you can wait. Okay. Right here. Okay. So those who need comments, okay, turn it on. Then we have So everyone are selecting the same bucket. Okay. So now I'm in the previous folder. Okay. Now I am in the previous folder. Now what to do? So similarly, now we can do wget, okay, space and paste that link. Okay. So now it will be downloaded here itself. So if you type ls and c here, okay, if you type ls and c here, a zip folder is here. Okay, zip folder is here. Now here itself I can unzip this. Unzip C. Okay, and press enter. Now it is unzipped. Press ls. A folder is there. Okay, a folder is there before the HTML. A folder is there before the HTML folder. So now how the move command will work? cd to. Okay. So now you guys tell me how the move command will work. How will you move from here? How will you move from here? How will you move from here? So move mv space star, then slash var slash Okay, so from here, how will you move all the files? MV, okay, MV space star. Okay, after this slash var slash. Okay, so now come back and get into HTML file. Type ls, everything is listed there. So what can I do now? Go to the vertex, just press refresh. So you can alternatively do anywhere. Okay. So who are going to repeat this process? Who are going to repeat this process? We put this up. Okay. So I'm going to close this one. Okay. So I'm going to close this one. Okay. Guys, listen here. Okay. Listen here. One more time only for you. Okay. So now what I'm going to do, I'm going to refresh this. Okay. Select the server, instance state, reboot instance. Select that instance, come to instance state and reboot instance. Now connect this, come down and connect. Okay. 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 So now what we have to do? We have to shift it to root. Okay. Sudo su. Okay. Sudo su and press enter. You will become a root user here. Okay. When you do sudo su, you will become a root user here. So after this, guys, yum update. Okay. Yum update. Yum update and press enter. After this, yum update and press enter. Okay. So here you are having a steps. Okay. Here you are having a steps. This document is been shared with all of you. Okay. You can follow from here. First we did yum update. Then we are going to do yum install httpd. Okay. Yum install httpd. Yum install httpd. Okay. So after this, what we have to do? Come to instance. Select the instance and select the public IP. Copy the public IP. Paste here. Okay. Okay. So the site can't be reached, correct? So after this, what we have to do? Service httpd start. Service httpd start. Guys, listen here. Who is there talking? Service httpd start. Okay. Then press enter. Now it is redirected. Refresh this site to get a Apache page. Oh, what the fuck is this? Okay. So now what we are going to do? So cd var dubs HTML. Okay. How do ls? I'm going to delete this folder forever. Delete this HTML. Okay. Okay. So now type ls. There won't be a HTML folder. So now what we are going to do? We are going to create an HTML folder. mkdir HTML. Okay. So from here, okay, from here, what we have to do? Okay. So from here, we are going to copy the some other link. Okay, copy link address and come back. Okay. So get into this HTML folder. Okay. So now what I'm going to do, I'm going to cut this off. Okay. So those who have doubt, you can listen from here. Okay. Those who have doubt, you can listen from here. Okay. So become a root user for the one more time. Sudo su. Okay. You become a root user now. So after this, what you have to do? Okay. So after this, what you have to do? Yum update. Okay. So after this, yum install httpd. Okay. After this, yum install httpd. Okay. So it is installed. Then service httpd start. Okay. Okay. So then cd space slash var slash www slash html. Okay. So now if you type ls, okay. So now you are in the HTML folder. So here wget space the link name. Okay. Wget space the link name. Listen here. You should not create an index.html file here. Wget space the link name and press enter. Okay. So after this, if I type ls, a zip folder is there. Okay. So we have to unzip this. UN is a type P. Okay, unzip space the folder name. Press enter. Okay, now ls. Okay, CCTV website template. So from here, okay, from here, I can copy this one. I can copy this one. Okay, come to test page slash and the name. Okay, so it works. Okay. So now we have to eliminate doing this. So how can we do that? Come here. Okay. So enter into this folder name. Enter into this folder. Now move all the places. Okay. To move, how can we do that? Okay. To move, type MV. Okay. Type MV space select everything. Okay. Type MV select everything space dot dot. Why? This dot dot represents the previous folder. Press enter. Okay. Now you can go back here. Take this extra baggage. Press enter. Okay. Okay. So who all want one more time? Okay. They are in war zone. Okay. They are in war zone, so they will not work correctly. Come to the normal state. Okay, so till here everyone completed? Okay. So now what we are going to do, we are going to take backup of this instance. Okay, we are going to take backup of this instance. So how to do that? AMI, okay. So how to create an AMI? Select your instance, okay. Select your instance. Okay. Select your instance. Go to actions. Select your instance. Go to actions. Okay. Select your instance. Go to actions. Images and template. Select your instance. Go to actions. Images and template. Okay. Images and template. Create image. Images and template. Create image. Okay. So you can give your own AMI. Okay. Can give your own AMI. Already. So okay. You can give your own AMI. Description if you want, you can give. Okay. So here is the new AMI instance. Okay. So any description you can give. Come down all the way down. Okay. Scroll all the way down. Click on create. Scroll all the way down, click on create. So where you can see your AMIs, on the left side, okay, on the left side, below images, there is an AMI. Okay, so click on the AMI. Okay, a new AMI is there. Scroll to the left hand side. Okay, so you have to wait until the status become available. Okay, so what is this AMI is used for? What is this AMI is used for? So when you move to the new zone, now we are in 1A. Okay, now we are in 1A. If you want that web server to be there in 1B, okay? So if you do it from the scratch, it will take time. Also, it is error to human. It's prone to the human error. Okay, so to avoid that, we can select and take a backup of this instance, put it there, create an instance from this area. Okay, so we'll do that. Okay, so now your AMI became available. So how to create how to create an instance from this AMI? So go to the instance. Okay, go to the instance. So before that, terminate this one. Okay, before that, terminate this one. Okay, so terminate this one. As usual, launch instance. Okay, as usual, launch instance. Give name for your instance. Okay, instance from AMI. Okay, instance from AMI. See, this is an AMI. Okay, this is an AMI. So here, okay, here till date we are using Amazon Linux, Mac OS, Ubuntu, Windows. These are all quick start AMIs. Okay, quick start AMIs. So if you want to use Okay. So if you want to select your own AMI, then select this one. Okay. If you want to select your own AMI, select this one. Okay. So here your AMS will be listed. If you have 2 or 3 AMS, then you can click the drop down, you can select the AMI, whatever. But now, as of now, we have only one AMI, correct? So the Guru AMI is listed there. You have to select that. So, okay. Then scroll down. Scroll down. Let it be T2 micro. So let it be, select your key pair name. Okay. Select your key pair name. Then scroll down. Okay. So select everything. Scroll down. Click launch instance. Okay. Click launch instance. Okay. So I'm copying the new IP, and the new IP I am pasting here. Okay. The new IP I am pasting here. So the site can't be reached. So already there is one website. No, I am closing this. Okay. This is starts with 44 and this starts with 18. Okay. Close this. Okay. So you can just visualize that it is taking some long time to initialize. It will take some time because already we have created some folders and servers inside the AML. Okay, so it is taking a little longer. So select this server, click on connect. Okay, scroll down, connect. Okay, so here what I'm going to do is service HTTPD start. Okay, service HTTPD start. That's it. Okay, so only one command, service HTTPD starts. Come here. Okay, so refresh this. The service HTTPD start and you can refresh this. Okay. Okay. So any doubt earlier? You can create an AMI, and from AMI you can create an instance. Okay. So now you have just visited. I just created an AMI. Okay. I just created an AMI. I didn't even touch the snapshot. Correct. So if you go and search for the snapshot, a snapshot will be created. Okay. So where will be the snapshot? On the left side, scroll all the way down. Next to volume, snapshot will be there. Okay. Next to volume, snapshot will be there. Click on the snapshot, a snapshot will be created. Okay. So I didn't even touch this. Okay. So even he can come in and see the description. Okay. See the description and see the time. Okay. 3:59, 2:59. So what is the description? Created by create image. Okay. So now come back to this AMI. Okay. Come back to this AMI. Select this AMI. Go to actions. Deregister AMI. Deregister AMI. Delete associated snapshots. Deregister the AMI. Okay. So scroll down. Come to snapshots. Okay. So refresh it. Okay. So select the snapshot and delete it. Come to actions. Delete snapshot. Okay. So come to instance. Terminate this instance. Okay. Come to instance and terminate instance. Okay, solid. So till this, we have completed 50 to 60% of PCC. Then this we completed 50 to 60% of these two. Still we are having auto scaling, load balancer. So these are the 1 day topics. Okay, you see 7th day or 8th day or after 10 days. So now close this EC2. Okay. Okay, so these are all just the instances, and these are all the images and elastic block store. Then we have the network and security. Okay, the entire big team. Network is there, then load balancing is there, then auto scaling is there. Okay, so we didn't touch the load balancing and auto scaling, so that are the different days topic, 1 day topic. So that will be discussed later. Okay, so before continuing to the next topic, what are the different types of instances? What are the different types of instances? On-demand instance, number 1. So what are all we using now is on-demand instance, number 1. Number 2 is reserved instance. See, if you plan to use the instance for a long time, okay, you can just reserve the instance. Okay. The reservation period 1 year or 3 years. Okay. 1 year or either 3 years. Okay, so you can either reserve for 1 year or you can reserve for 3 years. So the next one is spot instance. Okay, spot instance. Spot is pivot. Okay, so what is spot instance? So spot instances are nothing but the AWS no, they will be they'll be throwing the non-used instances. They'll be throwing you the non-usable. That is not they'll be that will be like a gambling. Okay, you have to pay the fees. Not a gambling. What is spot instance? Okay. There will be a big instance, big server. Okay. There will be a big server in the data center. In that server, if it is not completely used, if it is used only to the 90% or 80%, the remaining, it will be given into the pool of resources. It will be given into the pool of resources that the AWS customers, they can fit. Okay, so I can give this price, I can give that price. So accordingly, who is giving the highest price, the instance will be given to them, and that is called spot. In a big server, if something is not usable, like not using them, okay, so that will be transferred into the pool, okay, resource pool. So from that resource pool, AWS customers they can pull out to get that resource. Okay. So the beauty of this spot instance is anytime, at any time, AWS will take this one. At any time, AWS will take this one. You will be paying only for the second you are using. You will be paying only for the second you are using. Anytime AWS will take this one. So what is the use of this spot instance? Why do we need this end of the day? So spot instances are the dead chip. Spot instances are the dead chip. If no one knows about the spot instance, you can even get any big server for $1. Okay. So, what are all the type of workloads that is necessary for the spot instances? The workloads, okay, which doesn't need you to save something quickly. That workload you can do. Batch processing, the type you can do. Okay. So, and this is spot instance. There is something called dedicated instance. Okay, dedicated instance. Okay, dedicated instance. So dedicated instance means for a big server. Okay, for a big server, if you don't want to accompany the other companies, if you don't want to accompany other company or the other AWS customers, then you can reserve the full host file. That is dedicated. So the number one price goes for dedicated host. Okay. The second comes for on demand, then comes for reserve, then comes for spot instance. So this is a rate. So guys, when did AWS come in? When did AWS come into the market? 2008. Okay. So from 2008 to 2011, okay, three services they got introduced. And those three, no. Okay. So many services are introduced. Out of that, only three they are remaining till now. Okay. They are not decommissioned. They are uses. They are in use till now, and they are one of the most top-notch services. Okay. So one among them is EC2. And you said, and you see how powerful the EC2 is. Okay. So the next one is going for the networking, VPC. Okay, the VPC, we'll see. Okay, we'll see in the middle of the next week. Okay, so the number one service. So the third one is EC2, then comes VPC, then comes the number one. So the number one service is got introduced in 2008 and is still unbeatable even today. Okay, introducing you to the world's biggest storage system, simple storage service. S3. S3. So what is the beauty of S3? S3 promises you for 99.11 nights of availability. 99.999999. Okay, 11 nights of availability. So what does this mean? For 1 million years, okay, your downtime will be 1 hour. Okay, for 1 million years, your downtime will be. So this is the promise they are giving. So S3 promises for more than 60%. S3 boasts for more than 60% of the world's website. So everyone they are using S3. Okay, so let's see what S3 is. Okay, so S3 is a simple storage service. So S3 we call it in other terms. Okay, S3 is also called as object level storage. S3 is also called as object level storage. S3 is a global service. EC2 is a regional service. EC2 is a zonal service, whereas S3 is a global level service. Global, like IAM, S3 is a global service. Okay, so S3 is also called as object level storage. So why it is object level storage? It is a blob storage. BLOB, binary level object storage. So you can store whatever you want. You can store the entire database backup. You can store the entire you can store the entire movie. You can store whatever songs you want. You can store whatever you need. Okay. The end of the day, AWS doesn't know what is that. AWS doesn't know what is that. So that is called blob storage. Okay. It is considered as an object with a key value pair like that. But AWS doesn't know what is present. So how how AWS can give this 99.11 nines of availability. Okay. So let's take for this example. Okay. Okay, so this is the Mumbai region. Okay, this is the Mumbai region. So in this region, what we are going to do? Okay, so this is zone number 1, zone number 2, and zone number 3. Okay, zone number 1, zone number 2, zone number 3. So to use S3, you need to have a certain thing in it. You need to have a bucket. If with that bucket only you can hold this object. First, if you want to use S3, you want to create a bucket. Inside that bucket only you can create an object. So I'm telling you object, and I've told you object can be anything, range from log files to database, even backup, then movies, mobiles, whatever it is. Movies, music, whatever it may be. Okay. So what might be the size of this object? What might be the size of this object? Size of this object. So the minimum size is 1 KB. Okay, should be 1 KB at least. So what is the maximum size? 5 TB. Maximum size of an object is 5 TB. So how many number of objects you can hold in a bucket? How many number of objects you can hold in a bucket? Unlimited. Okay, this is our one. So how many buckets does you have for an account? How many buckets can account hold? 100 buckets. Okay, in a bucket you can hold number of objects. For an account you can hold up to 100 buckets. Okay, one object can be 5 TB. So imagine the size of a. So after this, we are creating a bucket here. Okay, the 3 different zones, and say for an example, this is a bucket. Okay, inside bucket we are creating an object. Okay, so whenever an object is created, or whenever an object is uploaded into an S3, eventually it is made replicated in all the 3 zones. Okay, 3 zones is there, it is replicated in all the 3 zones. If 6 zones is there, it is replicated in all the 3 zones. Okay, once one zone goes down, the other 2 zones will come up and serve your request. So 2 zones goes up, the third server will come up, serve your request. And that is how AWS is able to give you the 99 point that much of availability. Okay. Then and this is what S3 is all about. But to compare this, how Amazon did this. Google. So in 2019, S3 is equal replicators. Any idea? S3 is equal replicators. What does Google have to counterfeit this? Don't tell Google. What does Google have? GCS, Google Storage, Google Cloud Storage, GCS. So what GCS done is, so if you upload in one year, if you upload your object in one zone, what Amazon is doing is they are replicating it other 2 zones. Correct? So what Amazon did, if you start uploading here, simultaneously it will start uploading. If you start uploading here, simultaneously it will start uploading. It will not replicate. So simultaneously upload. Okay, so this is a new technology that DCS came. Okay, so after this, what Amazon said is, any idea? Like per second, what Amazon said? What Amazon said? So okay, so imagine a scenario. Now you are uploaded an image. Okay? Now you are uploaded an image, and that image should be replicated in all the 3. Before it is replicating, what if that's not fixed? Okay, so you cannot even upload any object in it. Correct? If one zone fails, you cannot do anything in it. Correct? So what Amazon did is they introduced eventual consistency model. Eventual consistency model means Amazon will not wait for all the replication to be done. Only one or two, they'll give okay. After doing one or two, they'll say it's okay. Then after they'll do the replication. Okay, so this is what Amazon came in to counterfeit this Google. Okay, so Google is still figuring out to do what to do to counterfeit this result. Okay, so S3 is the now the topmost one. He is the guy who's contributing for more than 60% of all the websites. Okay, so interested? Shall we move to S3? Okay, so S3 is not only powerful in terms of storage, S3 is also powerful in terms of security. So even if you leave one step, okay, it won't work. It is not like PC2, you cannot revolve around like that. If you even leave one single dot or one single space, it won't work. It won't work. Okay. So okay, so let's get into this S3. Okay, let's get into this S3. So near to the services in the search bar, you can go and search for S3. You can go and search for S3 and click on this S3. Okay, so click on this S3. So now we are having so if you don't have any bucket, that is completely fine because we are new to this S3, but I have many buckets. Okay, so leave it as such. Okay, so click on this create bucket. Okay, click on this create bucket. Okay, click on this create bucket. Okay, so this is nothing but this is also a template only. Okay, from the same site, this is also a template, but this was hosted in S3. But this was hosted in S3. Okay, so if you see here, no,
If you see here, what does this mean? What does this mean? Transfigure D water means this is nothing but the bucket name. Okay, this is nothing but a bucket name. So in a URL itself, the bucket name is displayed. In the URL itself, the bucket name is displayed. So what does this mean is? Your bucket name should be globally unique. Your bucket name should be globally unique because that is coming in the URL of an object. Okay, your bucket name should be globally unique. So if you want to create your own bucket, you can create. That is completely. But we friends, we are 5-6 trainers are there. They are handling Java, React, AWS, GCP. So what we think is either to GCS bucket. GCS also you have to create a bucket. Either GCS or S3. Okay. To create a globally unique name, we'll follow a certain rules. So that is nothing but first is your name. Okay. First is your name. First is your name. Okay, I already have the name Guru. Okay, so the first is your name, then hyphen. Okay, then hyphen. Okay, then your town name or your village name, anything. Okay, don't need to write this down. Okay, then your town name or the village name, anything. Then near to that, if you have any railway junction or airport, you can mention that name. Okay, so another hyphen. Okay. So after this, whatever food you like, you can mention. Okay, so after this, whoever you like, you can also add. If you like Tony Stark, if you like Thor, whatever you can add. Okay. Okay. So whatever you want, you can add. But that must be unique. Okay. So your name, your town name, anything nearby, any junction or airport, anything is fine. Then your favorite food, then your favorite stuff, then your favorite jacket. Anything you can add. No. Okay, so then it is a global service. You are going to choose a region. What are the factors to choose a region? What are the factors to choose a region? If your web server is there in one region, select that region. That is target user base. Then cost of the region, then service availability, then complaints are the cost. Complaints are the data security. Okay, so you are selecting a region, then scroll down. Okay. So any Rajini fans? Any Rajini fans? Only one? Okay. So overall watch a robot. Watch the robot. Okay. Part one. Overall fan of the red chip. Red chip. Okay. So so the bucket and object. Okay. So the bucket and object, they are like a parent section. Okay. They are like a Vasígar and Arban. They are like a parent. So what the parent is telling, the child will follow. What the nucleus is telling, the electron will follow. What the Vasígar is telling, the GT will follow. Okay. So if you give a red chip, this object will not obey the parent or will not obey the nucleus. Okay. So it will do some other thing. So the red chip is nothing but here ACL. Okay, ACL. Access control list. ACL. So the ACL will be disabled by default. The ACL will be disabled by default. You have to enable this. Okay, ACL will be disabled by default. You have to enable this. So this is like a red chip. Okay, red chip. Your bucket is enabled for a red chip, having a slot for the chip. So then the object ownership. Okay. So then the object ownership. Bucket owner or the object owner. Okay, bucket owner or the object. So imagine yourself as a storage admin for the company you are working for after 2 3 years. So now you are creating a bucket and there is an object. The object should consist of the code or the database, anything like that. Okay, so if your company is going to fire you, the company is going to fire you and you are the owner of that object, they cannot fire you. Okay. So in terms of company, in terms of in the face of a storage admin, it should be a bucket owner. In terms of employees, it should be an object owner. Okay. You want whatever you want, you can select it. Let it be a bucket owner itself. Okay. Let it be bucket owner itself. So remaining everything, let it be default. Okay. Remaining everything, let it be default. Click on create bucket. Okay. So already savvy. Okay. So here you can even see these are the two buckets. Okay. Soul King group. Okay. Soul King. So the soul. Okay. The owner of my account. Okay. He is the owner of this bucket. So that he is there in Ohio and his bucket is completely public. Okay. So then the water loss bucket is also completely public. Okay. So the elastic bean bucket is object can be public, object can be public. But here I created this time. Okay. When I created this time, the buckets and objects, they are not public. So what does this mean? So it is a shared responsibility model for the AWS. By default, it will be it won't be a public. Okay, it will be a private. You have to make it public. Okay, this is a shared responsibility. So here, what I am going to do, get into this bucket. Okay, get into this bucket, and we'll close this as well. Okay. So now I am inside the bucket. Okay, I am now inside the bucket. I'm going to upload an object here. So how to upload? Either you can select here or you can select here. That is your own wish. Okay. Click to upload now. Add files. Click to upload now. Add files. You can add whatever you want. Okay. Okay. So now I have just selected. You have to scroll it down to upload. Okay. You have to scroll it down to upload. Okay. So now the object is uploaded. Now the object is uploaded. Okay. So I'm selecting this object. Okay. Selecting this object and clicking on copy URL. Okay. I'm selecting this object and clicking on copy URL. If I paste here now, if I paste here, what will happen? If I paste here, what will happen? Okay. A whole bunch of error. Not a 404. Okay. A whole bunch. So we are having a various way to make this public. Okay. We are having a many ways to make this public. And the number one is, based on the number one scenario. So what is the scenario? So scenario is nothing but, okay, so I'm taking a class now. Okay, consider this as a any programming class. Any programming class. I'm taking a Python class. So I'm having a Python code in S3. I want to share the code with you guys. Okay. I know S3. So I'm storing it in S3 and I want to share it. If I share in the morning, and the class is ended, the course is even completely ended at the evening. So I want to get back into this S3 and make it again private. Otherwise, you guys will be answering. So similarly, if it is one file, it is okay. If it is 1,000 files, if it is daily, I have to do it. So it's a tedious task for me. For that, what I can do, I can do it a pre-signed URL. Okay, pre-signed URL. So what is pre-signed URL? You select the object, come to actions. Okay, select the object, come to actions. The second one, shared with pre-signed URL. Okay, shared with pre-signed URL. So here they are having hours and minutes. Okay, here they are having hours and minutes. So the maximum is 12 hours. The maximum is 12 hours or 720 minutes. Okay, maximum is 12 hours and 720 minutes. So what I'm going to give here, 2 minutes. Okay, 2 minutes. The minimum is 1 minute. The minimum is 1 minute. So I'm going to give here 2 minutes. Okay, minimum 1 minute. 1 minute and create pre-signed URL. So when I click on this create pre-signed URL, automatically the URL is being loaded into my clipboard. Okay. So what I can do here, even if you refresh this, it won't come. Okay. So the URL is different. The URL is different. Okay. Okay. I think before the pre-signed URL will be. Okay. So now it has become 1 minute. If I do a refresh, it won't allow me. Okay. So only for a 1 minute, a pre-signed URL is available. Signed URL. So to avoid this, what we can do? There is another option. Okay, there is another option. Other option is Redshift. So go to actions, make public using ACL. Go to actions, the last one, make public using ACL. Okay. Okay, but before that, city has to love some, right? Okay, so come down come to the permissions there. Okay, within a bucket, come to the permissions. Come here to edit. Come to the permissions. Come here to edit. So here, take this out. Okay. So now save changes. Make it confirm. Okay. So even now, the link is not working. Okay. Even now, the link is not working. So go to actions, scroll down, make public using SEL. Make public. Okay. Now, if you come here, press the refresh, you can see the button. Okay. Okay, so let it come. Before that, okay. So there are some of the use cases for S3 is used for. So S3 is not used only as a storage. It is not a Google. Okay, S3 is far beyond it. So what S3 is used for? There are many cases, many use cases available. Okay? So the number one use cases. So in a session, okay, in a session previously, we have set up a web server. Okay? Web server, and we pushed a template from a server to the web server. Okay, so all those images are saved in the Elastic Block Store on the root volume, correct? Other root volume. If I want to make this copy to the zone B, okay, if I want to make this copy to the zone B and zone C, what should I do? The images should also have to copy to the root volume, then copy to the root volume, so that everything will be the same images only. I cannot see the variety of images. So imagine if you are the storage epic for the Instagram or for the Facebook. Okay? So for time to time, a new images will be uploaded. Correct. So for that, if I use a block store grid, or that if I use a block store grid, if a new user is coming to a zone B, okay, he is uploading there. The picture will be there in the B, but it won't be available to the person who is connected to the A. Correct. Similarly, it won't be available to the person who is connected to C. Correct. So to avoid this, what people are doing is, since S3 is a global service, since S3 is replicating in all the zones, we can use this. S3 is used for use case number one, offloading the web content. Okay, offloading the web content, so that web server will be freely moving. They won't have any packages. Okay, they can work freely. S3 will hold all of the storage, and they will give us. So, in terms of point of presence, if you want to access any website in US, we are the Indian citizens. Okay, we will go through the ISP data center. Okay, then we will go to the Virginia, Ohio, or California, any of the data center. From there, we'll be move on to the S3's data center. From S3's data center, the image will be coming up to the web server. Then from the web server to the ISP's data center, it will be stored there. Then it will be viewed. Okay, so this is a line of action. Okay, so this is how S3 works, and this is the main use case. This is the number one use case. S3 offload is the okay, S3 offload is the so number two. For all the in a small age, D do this. Have you seen do this? While writing, what happens to do this? Yes, sorry for the so similarly, Airtel details. I think there is a range of it. So similarly, if your website is not running, instead of having 404 or 403 forbidden, you can use a different set. You can use them as a specific HTML file to attract them. Okay. So we are working on a workload. Kindly please write it. This is called static posting. This is not be a dynamic page. This won't be a dynamic page, but this can be a static. So the second use case for S3 is a static. For the IT guys in the house, IT guys in the house, no IT girls. Okay, IT guys. What is data analytics? Just tell me the term. What is data analytics? Data analytics. SQL, NoSQL, data analytics. Okay. What is EMR, Hadoop, Spark, Hive, PySpark, Query Index? What are those terms? No idea. Seriously, no idea. No data analytics. Okay. So a part of burden is reduced. If you know data analytics, I have to teach that on later. Thank you so much. Okay. So that is something called ETL and ELT. Okay. ETL and ELT. What happens is, say for an example, a weather site is running. Okay, a weather site, Google weather is running. So how will they collect the information from all the cities? They will have a temperature gauge, or they will have a person who will upload it. So from all the cities of there, okay, they will extract the data. Okay, they will extract the data, and that is what. Okay. So they will transform into some particular unit. Some people may say it in a Fahrenheit, some people may say it in Celsius. Okay, so they have to transform it into a comfortable unit. Okay, either Celsius or Fahrenheit. Either thing. That's a transform. Okay. Then they have to load it into a Google server. Okay. So this is an E, P, and L. Extract, transform, and load. This is a very, very simple project. Equal to hello world. Okay. So it's a very, very simple and equal to hello world. So this is a traditional process. This is traditional process which was running there in 2012. So now what we are using ELT process. We are using ELT process. So we will extract it, we will load it. Okay. Some machine language or the AI will do that transformation. That is called ELT. Okay. To loading it, where to load all this data. Okay, where to load all this data. So for one RCP match, okay, for one RCP match, if Virat Kohli hits century, each and every ball will be calculated. Each and every ball, not the first ball 4, second ball 1, how the bowler bowls. That is the ball swing. Okay. How did Virat Kohli stand? All these details are given. They will take and they will transform and they will load. So all these people will be taken care of. Okay, so this somehow the powerful. So all this data have to be stored somewhere. Okay, and that place is called data lake. The second one ELT, elastic load and transform. In the middle one, we have to load. Where we can load, we have to do a data lake. Okay, and that data lake is world's number one data lake. Okay. Yes, yes. Heard of big data? Heard of big data? Big data. Heard of Kubernetes containers? Kubernetes Docker container, pipeline, DevOps. Hey, today someone only what I'm going to teach for the okay, who are all knows SQL here? Here, NoSQL, MongoDB. I'm not asking about commands. What is NoSQL? How does the data structure look like? At least I try to give you an overview of all this. Okay. So instead of each and every time you are going behind this restriction, instead of each and every time you are going behind this restriction, we can do something like a policy. Okay, policy. So what does this policy mean? Policy is nothing like that. It is like an ID card. In that ID card, whatever is the name, the destination, what we see allowed to, what is not allowed. So this policy is written in yes, I told you. In JavaScript object JSON. So let's see how JSON looks like. Okay. So if you doesn't know JSON, it's not a big deal. Okay. So open a new tab. Host a static website on S3. Open a new tab. Host a static website on S3. Press enter. Okay. So the very first link is nothing but a documentation for hosting a website. Guys, what is this? IP. So if I make this, what happened? What is this now? What is this now? Oh, what is this? Okay, so what is this? What is this? So what is this? Zero. Aryabhatas, congratulations. What is this? So this is an internet site, okay? Internet IP. So in the security group, anywhere now, while giving anywhere, you will be seeing this. Okay. So from Monday onwards, we'll be seeing networking concepts. From Monday onwards, we'll be seeing the networking concepts. The third guy, VPC, will be coming in. Okay, so VPC is the most toughest service to understand. Will take at least 2 days. So VPC is the most toughest service to understand. So VPC. Okay, so click on the very first link. Okay, click on the very first link. The URL will be docs.aws.amazon.com. The URL will be docs.aws.amazon.com. Okay. Okay. Click on the very first link. Whether you know or not, I don't know. All this session is being recorded. Okay. All this session is being recorded. You can see here. You can see here. Your screen is being sharing. It is being recorded. Okay. The mic is open only. The mic is open and the screen is being shared. You can even see the green color here. Okay. So if you are trying to do anything, it will affect you only, not more. So I have evidence that I took here. If you don't understand, that is your problem. So if you have, for today's content, if you ask any question, I am ready to answer. Anytime, how many times, it is okay. But tomorrow, if you come and ask me the yesterday's thing, that is not going to be effective. That is not good. Today it is, if you want. Okay. So on the left hand side, scroll down. Okay. So setting permissions for website access. Setting permissions for website access. See, doubts are encouraged. Okay. After 1 week also you can ask a doubt. Doubt is perfectly fine. But if you come and tell me, please tell the entire concept, that will not be entertained. Doubt is already always available. Okay. So click on setting permissions for website access. Okay. So here, the first step we have done already. Okay, the first step we have done already. Okay, so what is the next one? Adding a bucket policy. Okay, so you can straight away copy here. You can straight away copy here, and you can paste the policy here. Okay, you can straight away paste the policy here. Or else you have a policy example. Or else you have a policy example. So how to get a policy example? Here there is a button called edit. Okay, click on this edit. Edit, and if you click here, a policy examples will be getting. Okay, policies example you will be getting. Okay. So the first one you can get it from the AWS documentation. The second one, the examples will be provided by the AWS itself. And the third one, you can learn the JSON and write yourself. Okay, you can write the JSON yourself, no problem. The fourth one, policy generator. Okay, the fourth one, policy generator. So what does this policy mean for? There are more than 5 policies in AWS. Okay, 5 policies in AWS. One is IAM policy. Okay, that means to access itself a policy. It is a policy. Then S3 policy. Then SQS, SMS. Then comes for VPC policy. Okay, 5 policies are there. So in this, first thing we have to select S3 bucket policy. Okay, S3 bucket policy. This is a policy generator common for everyone. Here we have to select S3. Okay, so after this, what we have to do? After this, what we have to do? Either this policy statement is allowing statement or denying statement. Okay, either it is allow or deny. If it is allow, click on allow. If it is deny, click on deny. Okay, it is there in the allow only. So what is the principle? So principle is nothing but the other AWS account or the other group of account or the other people or the Gmail account or the everyone. Okay. So as we all know, to select all, we have to give star. Okay, we have to give star. So the next one is actions. Okay, so actions. We can select all actions, or we can select in an S3 itself. We have this much actions. Okay, in S3 itself we have this much actions. Okay, so click on all actions. Okay, click on all actions. And here the next one is Amazon resource list. So whatever you create in Amazon, it comes with an ARN. You create an instance, ARN. You create an keeper, ARN. You create EBS, ARN. You create a bucket, ARN. Okay. So for the bucket, we also have an ARN. So where to get that ARN? Go to S3. Okay, go to S3, and we are having an ARN. Okay, we are having an ARN here. So copy this ARN. Copy this ARN. Come back to the policy generator. Come here. Paste this ARN. Okay. Paste this ARN. Then add this statement to the policy. Okay. Add this statement to the policy. Okay. So if you want to add next statement, you can add. If you want to add third one, fourth one, you can go on and add. But we selected all the actions attached. So click on generate policy. Okay, so click on generate policy. Click here. So after this, just copy this one. Okay, after this, just copy this one and you can paste. Okay, after this, just copy this one and you can paste it. Okay, so this is how the JSON looks like. First ID, statement ID, then your allow or not action come, then your principal, then your resources. Okay. So here, just check for any errors or warnings here. Okay, and then save changes. Okay, save changes. So now what we are going to do, we are going to upload objects and let us know how this works. Okay, so already here an object is there. Okay, already here an object is there. So here we are going to upload the files there. So similarly, go to free CSS template. Okay, so select anything you want, download it. Okay, so it will be downloaded as a zip folder. Unzip that folder and upload all the files here. Okay, so upload, add files. Come to downloads. Okay, so I am selecting all the files attested. Okay, and clicking open. Okay, so don't give upload. Okay, don't give upload. So before that, we have to add the folders also. Okay, folder number 1, upload. Okay, so click here also, upload. Then add a folder again. Come back, click on images, upload, upload. Okay, so then add folder, come back, JavaScript, upload and upload. Add folder, come back, library, upload and upload. Okay, so the next one, add folder, come back, upload and upload. Okay, so now grand upload. Okay. So now what happens? Now what happens? I have uploaded all the folder here. Okay. So close this and come to properties. Okay. So close this and come to properties. So in the properties, scroll all the way down. Okay. So after uploading it, come to properties. The properties page, scroll all the way. So scroll all the way down, then come to this static website hosting. Okay, static website hosting, edit on this. Okay, so after uploading it, come to properties, scroll all the way down, scroll all the way down, edit static website hosting, enable this. Enable this, okay. Host a static website. Okay, so scroll down and here put index.html. Index.html. Okay, so in the index document, put index.html. Index.html, then scroll all the way down, save changes. Okay. So once you save changes, it will move back to the properties. Okay. Once you click save changes, it will automatically move back to the properties. Then other time you have to scroll down. Another time you have to scroll down. Okay. So copy the link. Copy the link. Open the next tab. Paste it. Forbidden error. Forbidden error. Okay. So for this, what you have to do? Come back to the objects. Okay, come back to the objects. Objects. Select everyone. Go to actions. Make public using ACL. Okay, make public. Okay, make public. Come here. One single reference. Okay. Actions. Yeah.
Is anybody is getting any errors? Anything else? That in website errors. This policy. forward the document.
Okay. So those who need it from the first, you can listen here. Okay. Those who need it from the first, listen here. Okay. So first we need to create a bucket first of all. Okay, first we need to create the bucket. Okay, so after creating the bucket, what we need to know? Come to permissions. Okay, come to permissions and edit this block public access. First you create a bucket, then come to the permission, edit block public access. Click on this. Okay, so turn off this. Okay, first it will be turned on. You have to turn this off. You have to turn this off and save changes. It should be like this, save changes. Then here confirm. Okay, confirm. All right. So next what we have to do, come down to the bucket policy. Okay. So edit the policy. Okay. Edit the policy. Go to the policy generator. Okay. Edit the policy. Go to the policy generator. Then what we have to do, the policy generator will be open. Okay. So here we have to select certain things. First one, what is the type of the policy? Okay. What is the type of the policy? End of the day, it is an S3 policy only. So S3 bucket policy. Then add the statements. Okay. Add the statements. Either the statement is allow or deny. Okay. So select allow. Allow. Then principal. Principal to whom it is allowed or deny. Okay. To whom it is allowed or deny. For that we can select the other AWS account or other group of account, other domain. Okay. Set of Gmail account, anything. So here we are selecting star. Okay. So next actions. Select all actions. Amazon resource name. Resource name you can get it from here. Okay. ARN bucket ARN you can get it from here. Okay. So after this, add statement and generate policy. Okay. The policy will be coming up. Copy that policy and paste the policy there. Okay. Paste the policy here and then add save changes. Okay. And then save changes. So you have to do these two things. First, block public access, then enable the bucket policy. The third one is static website hosting, enabling the static website hosting. So for that, come to properties. Okay. Come to properties. Come to properties. Here, scroll all the way down. Okay. Static website hosting, edit this. Okay. First enable this. First enable this. Then choose the host a static website. Okay. Then select host a static website. Then scroll down here. Put index.html file here. Scroll down. Save changes. Okay. Save changes. So now scroll all the way down. Copy this link and paste here. Copy this link and paste here. So it won't come. Forbidden error will be coming. So for that. For that, how to troubleshoot the errors? How to troubleshoot the errors? Select all the objects. Okay, select all the objects. Click on actions. Make public using ACL. Okay, make public. Then it will show. Okay, that's all. So if you upload it in a folder, everything was in a folder, then you can do this. Okay. Then you can do this here. Double tap. Double tap. Okay. Double tap means the cursor will be coming there. There. Put a slash, forward slash, and then your folder name. Put a forward slash and then your folder name. And press enter. Sorry. After folder name also one slash and then press enter. Okay. So after this, that static website. Only 10.
So students, daily test link will be shared to your college mail address. You have to take that. Just read it. Okay, read the question, read the options also.
As you will be receiving a mail in the college address. Okay. So in that mail, you will have two links. First one is a link to a WhatsApp group. Yeah, so if you click that link, it will be added to the WhatsApp. Then there will be another link. The other link will be your test link. Test link. Daily test you have done. Based on that, your attendance will be calculated. Attendance marks, everything will be calculated based on that. And tomorrow I'll tell you an assignment also, which you have to complete it while coming on Monday. Assignment will be more than 1 hour. Totally you will spend only 1 hour. So all the Saturdays till this month, all the Saturdays they work. Sorry, till this month end, all the Saturdays will be working. Okay. So those who have uploaded the codes in the those who have uploaded the codes in the link, you can try to edit them. You can try it on Google, you can try it on get somewhere and try to edit that code. Okay. So if a person who doesn't upload a code, try to upload a text document and try to edit that text document. Try to edit that text document. If you can't edit it or if you can't find it anyway, just tell me why you can't edit it. Okay. So now we can see this pet shop, right? Can see this pet shop. So can anybody edit, able to edit that? Can anybody able to edit the document there? In S3? Did you find anywhere? Just the YouTube, the Google. Can you edit a file in S3? You can never edit a file in S3, okay? Why? Because it is a block storage. Binary level object storage. It considers whatever it may be, it considers as an object storage. Okay? So AWS doesn't know whether it is this or that. It is just an object. So next, AWS doesn't know whether it is object or not. Okay. So now what we are going to do? There are many HTML files here, right? Many HTML files, and we are having index.html file here. Now, if I try to upload a new index.html file, what will happen? What will happen if I try to upload a new index.html? Say for an example, this is your production site, okay? Say for an example, this is your production level site. So a new intern has joined in your company. Okay, a new intern joined in your company, and what is he doing is he uploaded a small HTML file. Okay, say for an example, he uploaded this HTML file. Click on upload. Okay, add files. Now come to desktop. Okay, click on index and open this file. Okay, So this is a very small index file I'm going to upload. So what will happen? What will happen? What will happen? Okay. So once I click this upload, okay, once I click this upload, it is uploaded. If I do a refresh, what will happen? Okay. So your production level site is what? So how to avoid this? How to avoid this? We'll see in the part. You can leave. Okay, I said okay, sit, okay, no problem. Okay, so to avoid this, what we have to do? Come to properties. Okay, come to properties, and here we are having a versioning folder. Okay, we have to make a versions of the object.